Hello, I'm Dr. Aditya Agrawal. I'm a consultant pulmonologist in Mumbai. Patients often line up clinics with cough, breathlessness, wheezing, chest pain, sneezing, sore throats. Patients with chronic respiratory illnesses such as bronchitis, asthma, and COPD tend to have increased exacerbations or attacks of their disease. Primary reason for this is indoor air pollution, and the major contributing factors for this are damp walls, fungus, mold, leaky walls, and indoor drying of clothes. So keep your indoors clean, minimalistic, and avoid drying of clothes indoors, and have a happy monsoon.